Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. This is me Iman Fatma and this video is about picture description. Look at the picture and tell about it. First of all, you have to look at the picture carefully for 10 to 15 seconds and describe the given picture in your own words. So, let's start. This is the picture of a busy road. A man is climbing on a tree. The weather is cloudy. There is a bench. A man is sitting on the bench and using his phone. There is a bin near the bench. On the left side, there is a board of AB Road. In the background, you can see some buildings. The birds are flying in the air. A boy is walking along the pavement. One boy is cycling. Another boy is riding his skateboard. There are many trees. Try this activity with some other pictures. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.